Hey y'all, today I want to do a little review of this Ryobi Tek4 Lithium screwdriver. It's a 4-volt model. Has a little light in the front, which is, I don't know, should go on before it starts turning, but anyway, that's how it works. It has a full clutch, so you could go from anywhere from 1 all the way up to drill, which means it has no clutch, or the clutch is totally locked up. And this is good if you're putting in screws in something that's not real strong and you want it to stop before it twists them out. So I use this all the time for taking stuff apart and putting stuff back together. It has 2 speeds, fast and slow, which is 200 RPMs and 600 per minute. And it has this nice quick chuck. You just pop this in there and it's locked in. Pop it in, pop it out. Okay, this also comes with a 4-volt Tek4 battery, like that. My this thing actually came with a plastic cap. I stole this metal cap off the cheap what do you call it, LED light. See, here's the plastic cap that actually came with this. I figured, why am I going to leave a metal cap on this piece of crap when I could have it on my drill that I use all the time. Oh, let me put the battery back in. Alright, and this setup also came with the charger. Charges 1 battery at a time. Just a little dinky thing right here. And here's the charger. The battery just pops in there. I have an extra battery here. Show you what that looks like. Yeah, you just pop this in here and the green light will come on, and when it goes off the battery's charged. It's not too informative, but it works. So anyway, this also came with a carry pouch. Ryobi has a Velcro closure. Now, this fits in here, but you definitely got to take the bit out to stick it in there any good, like that. Frankly, it doesn't really fit in there that good, right? Anyway, I use it to keep all kinds of bits and stuff in here. I have extensions, bits, safety bits, security bits. So I kind of generally keep all this stuff in here, my security bits. Yeah, let's not turn that upside down. Security bits. Nice set there. Keep sockets in there. A couple extensions. I keep in there. All kinds of other bits I had gotten with other drills. You never know what you're going to need, right? Anyway, I keep everything in there. And then I put the drill on top. I'm good to go. It doesn't even have a belt loop on it, so you know, it's basically just to keep it in your toolbox so it doesn't get wrecked in there. Anyway, anything else? You want to see what kind of power this has? We can drive a couple of screws in for you. Let me get my favorite piece of wood over here. See, I got my favorite piece of wood I always use. You get a little screw over here. Alright, I got something here. Where's my bit? And this battery's pretty charged up, so let's see if it has any power. Let's try it on one. We'll try it on one first, which is the slower speed, but I'm not sure if it has this stronger power. So let's try it. See, that's the clutch working. See, I have it on the set on 5. So now if I tighten up on the clutch, I should be able to drive it more. Anyway, it's not really made for driving screws into wood. It's more made for taking stuff apart. Let's try. Alright, let's try it on speed 2, which is the fastest speed. See if it has any more torque or if it has less torque. I would say probably about the same. Anyway, you know you change directions by this little switch here. That's backwards, this is forward. And that's about it. Like I said, I use this all the time, taking stuff apart, putting stuff back together, and I don't know what I would do without it now. Compared to the old drill drivers that I had, this is one of my best ones I ever had. As for this light, I'm going to do a little review on this later. But that's a terrible light. Anyway, so that's my little review of this Ryobi Tek4 Lithium ion screwdriver. Anyway, if you like this, give us a thumbs up. I'm looking over here. It has 40 inch-pounds of torque, which isn't really much, but it's enough to take stuff apart and put it together. And one thing I forgot to say is when you're screwing something in, grab another one. When you're screwing something in and you get to a point, you could just turn it and it automatically locks like that. It doesn't ratchet, but it locks. So now we can take it out. See how that works? Alright, that's it. Like I said, if you like our video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. We'll be doing more reviews, more fixing stuff, taking stuff apart, putting it back together. And thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video.